In front of me is Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then hit Face Unlock here and enter your current login method. Finally, tap on Start. Wait 5 seconds to click on this section here, which is Next, and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, name your face data however you want to and hit OK. Tap on Done. Adjust all of those options however you want to, but most importantly, make sure this switcher next to Unlock using face data is blue. Without it, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your smartphone. So now, when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!